everyone, my name is Kajal and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third video of the affordable series where I share my favorites under a budget. And in today's video, as you read the title, it's going to be all about vintage outfits and some particular pieces I love and adore, and they are under a budget. I'll share all the details throughout the video and in the description box as well, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates regarding my videos. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And let's begin.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Affordable vintage outfit ideas. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that has been said, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.